Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Can I get a sound check, please?
Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an organizer and may now speak to any other organizers or panelists on the line. When you are ready to begin the presentation, press.
All right. Sound is good. All right, guys. Couple of things. First off, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. If you guys are running the original bot has taken what looks like a failed short just after 6 a.m. Looks like around 6:40. Yeah, 6:56, 6:54, and then immediately flipped into a long, and two targets are off. I am also currently long silver, and I am pending long gold. All right, I am pending a gold long at 12.4, first target 14.2. I've had pretty good trades this morning, 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Ken, good morning, Brett. David, good morning. I have been trading gold and silver this morning fairly actively. Just gold and silver. And currently I am up 1845, trading two contracts in each. I mean, they pretty much trade in tandem. I have done no NASDAQ trades as of yet. Excuse me. In any event, hope you guys all had a terrific weekend. We're back at it. Today is Monday, March 10th. Volume is heavy. Looks like we're going to get some pretty stiff volatility again today. 190, call it 120,000 contracts have traded already. Net negative deltas at 1,600 plus. If you guys are attempting to run order flow, I would shut them off. I would shut those off. If you're running two or three, I would definitely shut them off. That'll slow. I mean, for most of us, unless it's going to slow you down pretty good. Let me also shut down Skype. Sorry about that, guys. All right, Skype is shut down. In any event, we're back at it for another week. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. We do have some trials starting this morning. We had a few come in on Friday. So for those of you that started Friday and for those of you trials that are starting today, I'm going to cover the room. I do the same thing pretty much every day. I read the disclaimer. I'm not required to, but I do read it. I go through charts, and then for the benefit of trials, I will explain what you're going to see in the room today. And there is quite a bit. Or this week, I should say, what you'll see this week. In any event, we have no news today. Nothing of any interest. We do have CPI and PPI this week. Wednesday is CPI. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. Let's go over charts. I'll record this and send this session out to you so you guys can review it. On the screen is my market structure indicator. This is where my discretionary trades will come from today. And as you can see on the screen, I'm going to go way above the market.
Order submitted.
My trades will be on
Order canceled.
the screen. All right. I will tell you I'm trading Apex accounts along with my members. I am also trading there we go. All right. It's time to go fish.
Order submitted.
Anybody take silver, target one is hit. If anyone took gold, we're not quite to target one yet on gold. And natural gas missed me by a few ticks. And let me get a stop here on gas. Dirt dog.
Order filled.
All right. Target one on gold is now hit. Target one on gold is now hit.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. I'm out on silver. I'm out on gold. This crude just keeps going, guys. There's nothing I can do with crude. All right. Now I can drop my stop to that pivot at 896.50. Anybody short NASDAQ here, guys? On the 15-minute, trying to get down to, 770. Last week's low is what it looks like. I don't really have a better stop. No. I guess I can go to 89. Yeah, Keith, it's 6 a.m. to 11. I've moved that target out. I'm just gonna let this auto trail. It looks like it's gonna get that 42 ticks, but I'm gonna let this auto trail. We're sitting on some hourly support here on NASDAQ. We're gonna really have to break here and break hard. Big Bad Don. Good morning, brother. Good morning to you and Michelle. Everybody is well. Thank you for asking. Got one guy holding shorts. Anybody else? I'm going to move this guy's now down to 83 quarter. I'd like to try to get this down to 808. Okay, natural gas held at stop. Anybody else holding shorts, guys? Trade them as you see fit. Kind of don't want this through 76, but all right, Pascal's holding one. That's it, one guy. Two guys, okay. Okay, Mark, three of us, let's go. So if we get another drop here, I will drop stop to 75. I need another push lower. There are no buyers here, guys. We're just sitting on an hourly pivot, but I have no doubts this is going to break down. The stop may be a little tight, but here comes Natty Gas. If anybody long Natty Gas. Nice job, Richard. As soon as if we take 63, I'm going to drop my stop down to just above that pivot here. Again, it's a little tight, but I need the low to go. There it goes. You can drop your stop now to the pivot, 77 quarter. Locked in a little better than 20 handles. All right, new 3-minute bar. 20 and a 4, Alvin. 20 and a 4. You're welcome. Welcome to the room.
Order filled.
All right, I'm flat, fellas. I'm flat. I don't have a long, but I'm flat. Oh, don't chooch out on me here at 16. There it is. Oh, 2 ticks, fellas. Seriously? There's nothing there. 3-minute, I guess, has a little bit of noise. Should have gotten that target. If you guys want to take risk off at any time, it's pre-market. Feel free. Two ticks. One tick. Hit half. All right, I'm going to take one off.
Order filled.
I took one off, guys.
Order submitted.
And this should go. If this gets above this 33, it's going to break out. I don't know that it does or does not or can or cannot, but if it gets above that swing, it's going to break out. 32.75. Morning, Josh. I will be long gold 14.9. I will be long gold at 14.9. Excuse me.
Order submitted.
I'm pending too long on gold 14.9. Silver's already there. Excuse me. Sorry, guys.
Order filled.
All right, gold just shorted. I'm not sure this is a good short here.
Target filled.
All right, crude got target 1 on the bot. Stop has gone to break even. Auto trail will kick in, but we're break even plus 1 on crude. Gold is now short on the bot, but I'm not really digging this short. We'll see what happens.
Stop filled.
All right, out on crude. Crude has gone flat. Bounced up into that break even plus 1. Not a huge fan of the crude short either. Silver looks like it wants to push up. I've got nothing really anywhere else. Kind of slow right now, fellas. Just the gold. After that, not even sure it gets below 9, but my stop is 09, guys, on gold. We got target 1 here on gold. Let's see what we get now. I'm not. Yeah, maybe we can get target 2. NASDAQ probably gives you a short at 73. I don't much care for it ahead of the open, but that could hit and blow out. If we get below 61, 861 on NASDAQ, it could get ugly fast. Yeah, 5 minutes of breakdown also, but the stop is enormous. It's just a huge. It's 42. You might get away with a 12. Well, The second target would have been hit on crude. Too bad it got hit. Two minutes, guys. 2 minutes and we go. On the bot, target 2 is hit. All that's left is 74 ticks to the downside. There's target 1 on the NASDAQ bot. Remember, my daily goal, guys, is $1,000 and it's done. Target 2 is hit and filled. If this gets that last target, it's done for the day again on the first trade of the day. That's it. Come on. Don't take it out. Come on, break down. Nice job, Eddie. See you tomorrow, brother. Talking to you, Eddie. No, it's because a bunch of comments came in, so I was just. Come on, break down. Let's go. All sellers, guys. There are no buyers. Not interested in longs. Gold on the bot missed that target by a ways.
Stop filled.
By a couple ticks. All right, guys, we're up 725 on the first trade. Just turn it off. But in the settings, if you go to the settings, DJ, if you go to the settings right here, daily goal, check the box, and we'll set it for, let's call it 1200. There you go. So now it'll shut itself. It won't take any more trades after $1,200. But so you're clear. Yeah, 725 and high volatility, nothing wrong with that. It will complete trades. It doesn't just auto kill at your goal. It's hit its daily goal and it's done. Eddie. Yeah, man, that too. Now, if that stop gets taken, well, now it'll keep trading. Chopping around, guys. Chopping around. The only long I'm taking is right there at 59 long. 59 long. 59 long.
Order submitted.
If that breaks that structure, I'll take one off at 75.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay.
Target filled. Target filled. Order filled.
Got target 1 at 75. Target 1 at 75. Here's the bot long.
Order filled.
All right, guys. The NASDAQ bot is done for the day. It's up 1610. That's it. It's done. Gold is currently up 970. So you're up almost 25 and change on the bot. I'd say it's a pretty good day. Crude, it's up $100. It's a good day. NASDAQ's done. If you're here to see the NASDAQ, you're here to see the original bot. It's done for the day. It's made its money. Here's your short, 52. 52. Small buyers in here.
Order submitted.
It's only invalidated through that. First target, 43.
Order submitted.
Nice job, Mark. And we're putting in higher lows and slightly higher highs here, so small buyers here. This goes up through that 87. It looks like it wants to. Momentum to the downside is done. YM is long.
Order submitted.
On what? 500 tick on the algo is long. All right, guys. This gives you a short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Target hit. Got to break down this support here at 54.50. All right.
Order filled.
I'm flat. I'm flat. She's nuts, man. Anybody having a hard time keeping up? Here's your better short, 53. 53. Back down to 42, target 1.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
There we go. Here's your long if you like it, 90. 01 is resistance. It's going to have to clear 01. There's 90.
Order canceled.
All right. 500 tick guys got targets on the algo. Nothing else there. Eight four. You guys can short 68. 8-4, Keith. 8-4. You guys can short 68. Got buyers, but they're small as hell.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Okay, thank you, Mark. It's definitely short, but I'm not selling that 15. It's quasi quiet here. Whoop, forgot to turn on algo 3.2. Did I miss any trades on 3.2, guys?
Order canceled.
There's targets again on the 500 tick. All right. Let's slow her down. I would take the long here at 51. 51.
Order submitted.
Just above here. That was valid, but I think if it first target 62.50.
Order submitted.
There are no buyers. Just FYI, I don't see any buying. Got a higher low. If it,
Order filled.
all right, there's the higher high. Ah, you scumbag. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, got target, fellas. Next target might be, got to get through 65. Next target, 72. If it gets through 65, it's going to get 72. It's a really snotty little range in here. I'm going to go flat in about 1 second. Come on, get up there. There it goes. Come on, babe. Let's go. They're trying to buy some. 72 is next. Come on, buyers. Come on. Come on, push right here. Get above this 65. Got to get above 65. There it goes. Up, back to 65. All right.
Order filled.
I'm flat for now. I'm flat for now. We're getting too narrow in here. You see this consolidation? I will short 31 right here. 30 there. I think it's going to pop, and we're going to go to 901. Nice job, Michael. Up 1400. Man, who needs the gym? Target one is filled on the YM. Now I'm trying to get to 27 to 30. 20. Yeah, I'm still not ready to. Lower high, don't like it. Lower high, don't like it. I'm sitting with it because I know I have buyers, and it has broken structure. All right, so where does my risk have to end? Probably right there. Really don't want this coming down any further. It held basically where it had a hold. It's back above the 50% retracement level, but it's failing there. Still have buyers over 300 in this 3-minute bar. All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
That's where I get out. Where's my short? Right here, 0275. 0250. There it is. There's your short, 0250. First target, 86 half or so. Why there? Before that swing, got to come in before 8250. Benefit of, I missed my freaking gold long. Of course I did. Why wouldn't I? For the benefit of the video, no trades today yet on algo 3.3 or 3.2. Now it runs until noon, so we'll let them run. As far as the original bot goes, crude finished down 680 on that last trade, that losing trade, which is cool. Gold finished up 970. Now I shut it off at 970, right? Hit its goal. but there's another 220, 400, and 410. You'd be another 8. You can add another 810 to this if you were running it. The NASDAQ, once again, daily goal, 660. 1610 on the NASDAQ. And last but not least, the 500 tick on the algo up 1350, and I shut it off. Guys, any day you do $1,000 or better, it's a hell of a day. Right? Slow and steady wins this race.